Molweni guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a get ready with me. Comment, like and subscribe, and also do share the video to your friends and family. Let's get into the makeup. So I'm quickly starting with my eyebrows. I'm using my basso. What I also want to do is come closer to you guys so that you can also see what I'm doing to the eyebrows. So I'm just brushing the eyebrows. Okay, so what I do is I wait for that to dry up a bit. Once that has dried up, what I do is I brush them like this with anything that is near me that I can grab. I just do this. And then with my eyeliner, I draw a line under my natural eyebrows. And I'm thinking of just doing some hair strokes on the eyebrows. Some hair strokes. And then we brush this up. I drew another light, very light line. Very light. So I'm done with that. I take my concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I usually use the concealer in the shade Fawn. This concealer is from L.A Girl Pro Concealer. Okay, so what we're about to do now is use my foundation on top of the eyebrows. This is my foundation. You guys should know by now I am using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 340. I'm thinking of doing the no foundation makeup look that I had done on the previous video. I don't know, was it the last yeah, I think the last upload. So I think I'm gonna do that look. Don't wanna put on foundation. Okay. No, it's not the last upload. I think the one before that. This is the girl that you want her to be. She should look like this. So once you're done, obviously you're gonna do some touch-ups, but when you're here, for men, got the girl. Because we're gonna do makeup, you don't need to really blend this. That's what I wanted to say, blend this into the skin, because we're gonna use makeup. Oh, sorry guys, we're gonna use makeup, so obviously it's gonna blend into the makeup. So just blend it out, and unless you're not gonna put on makeup at all, blending this out so that it looks like second skin. That's possible. Okay, this is her. She looks like this. So we're gonna do the second one off camera, and then we're gonna come back. I'm gonna go in with my concealers. I'm using two shades of concealers, two brands in fact. L.A Girl Pro Concealer, and also Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. This is the second concealer that I'm gonna be using. The shade of this concealer is 005 Light Natural, and this one is I Did State Honey, Warm Honey. just wasting a lot of product. Okay, silly wasted. I look like a mess. I wasted a lot of product. I should have used a brush to apply this, but yeah, Sissy lab out. So what happens is you just have to give it a minute or two to dry up. Not too dry. In between. Dry and liquidy. It's gonna make it so much easier for you to blend once it's like that. Alright. So I'm just gonna start on the outside of this. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let the lighter concealer just sit there. I'm gonna use the L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Full Bronze. So I'm gonna conceal with this little girl here. Ooh. Guys, did I warn you that I do use a lot of product? Please do not come for me about that. And then they said it's a product. Yeah, big. Let's use you. We're going to use her to just apply. Don't worry about a thing. Okay, that has been blended out. I need a smaller yellow brush. I'm gonna use her to do this. The nose needs to be chiseled, my honey. Chiseled. Like, it has to look like you did a nose job. Yeah. You can't afford a nose job. So what we do is say Zoba with makeup. Mama, you blend. Maybe one thing that will help you in this makeup business, honey, it is to blend with a clean brush to just blend out some harsh lines. Blend us. Blend being until it gets blend. And then now we're gonna have to deal with the concealer that is on the bridge of my nose. Let's blend that out too. With the same brush that we had concealed with, lighter shade of my concealers. Look at that. All right. I like it very bright, like. I know it's not for everyone, Okay, apathina challenge. Right. That is done. So now we're gonna apply some powder. Go in with the PassionPro Compact powder. Do you see that? I'm not enjoying the fact that I'm applying this powder with a brush. No, Hashem. Inzoomed. You see that? Powder our contoured areas. Use the Essence Mattifying Compact powder. What is the shade? Toffee. Remember, everything that you do, you blend out. You blend everything that you do. Because harsh lines. We're gonna use the loose powder from Quick Face, Mr. Price. So I'm gonna bake and I don't wanna bake. Yeah, I wanna powder up. That is done. Favorite part, blush. If you know me, you know I enjoy this part. Blush is some blush. I like blush. That's one of mine. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous is that. Oh. I'm saying it's a brush, you know. Actually, this shade, it's peachy. It's guys. Yes. There you go. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous is that. Oh, alright. Le ayifuna nobaxa, ayifuna nophindo, ayifuna nomix. And there, aphela apho ke ndiham neblush. Ndiham neblush, yaphela apho. Just want to blend this out here. Ndiham neblush, yaphela apho. And then So yeah, we're gonna go. I quickly want to do something. I forgot to tell you guys, so prior everything, I did prep my skin prior to me recording, starting this video. I did prep my skin. I'm just looking and I saw this. I always forget to use this. I have a primer, guys, but hey, but I did prep my skin. Okay, guys, unless I'm doing this on camera. Oh my god. Okay, she looks okay. Okay, while I'm waiting for her to dry up, let me just quickly I'm gonna if I get in makeup. So whoa, cool. I hate how it rests on the when I'm doing, and I've lifted my eyelids. But when it rests, oh god, I hate it. I never know how to fix it. Really better, I think it is. Hi guys, once again I'm all done. I had to do everything else because of my space. Now what I'm about to do is just put on my wig and then come back to you guys. I'm rushing because of space. I applied my lashes, I did my eyes. I hope you guys can see everything else. I know I look crazy with this bushy wig on, but just trust the process. Hi guys, so this is how I finally look when I'm all done. So I could not record everything due to space, but I will try to edit everything that I have on the phone. This is how I finally look. I hope you guys are still watching the video up to here, and if you are, thank you. Please do like, comment, subscribe, and also share my video to your friends and family. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.